Hello, my name is Asa Gardner. I will be your instructor for Human Anatomy this semester. I'm looking forward to this semester. Last year has been a crazy year for all of us. Um, I got my bachelor's degree in physiology and neuroscience from UCSD, and then I decided to do my PhD in neuroscience and took a turn there and realized that I really wanted to teach. So I left that program in Ohio and I came back to California and finished my master's in quantitative and systems biology. And I love science. I love explaining science. I love teaching science. So you have a great instructor here. I have all the tools you need to do well in the class as long as you work with me, and I'll work with you. So it was nice to meet you all, and looking forward to getting to know more about each and every one of you as the class progresses. Thank you.